lady. Sing it one more time. Feels like something. Good morning.
Hey, we can little mama, I can lip lock. Gucci spend 100 on some new socks. Could've bought a crib, bought a drop top. I can love a church, no doubt.
I need to hurry the hell up. Anyway, hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today we are getting ready for class. Anyways, it's second semester, the beginning of second semester in college for me. I'm just not really happy about getting ready for class. Who really is happy to go to class? I don't know. I felt like I should just, you know, record. I might as well record me, you know, getting ready for my first day of class. So it's gonna be like a little snippet of my makeup, of course, me showing a little bit of my hair, and then my outfit, like, might as well. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows right now because right now they kind of look like sperm cells and I'm not feeling it. So let's go ahead and do my eyebrows. Just to let you know real quick, I'm probably not gonna be talking while I'm doing this because I'm really like rushing and I take a long time to get ready. So I need to speed past this real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm done with my brows, thank God. It didn't take me that long to do my brows actually. It took me like 14, maybe 13 minutes to do my eyebrows, which is not bad. Basically, the main goal of my school makeup look is like trying not to look dead. So I'm just gonna color correct a little bit. I don't understand why I had to be born with under eyes that look like they have a 5 o'clock shadow. It's okay. Even though I have raccoon eyes, I'm amazing, okay? 'Cause you're amazing. guys, so my makeup is done. It's very simple, plain. I do this like all the time for class, for school, for work, whatever. The only thing I change is the eyeshadow, maybe. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this wig. I am excited. And I'm gonna be using the Ghost Bond glue to secure it onto my head. Before that, I'm just gonna take a cotton ball and rub the makeup off the area that I'm gonna apply the wig on.
Probably should've told you I heard this bad. I know, and I probably shouldn't want this so bad. Cause I'm undecided. No, baby, I'm afraid of you now. Look at my she in a dime bag. Look at my picket, it's a water slide. Could've bought a crib, bought a drop top. I can't love a bitch, trust no doubt. This ain't no fashion over. You said your ass had you depressed, and I'm just glad that's over. Cause now you rockin' with a real one. But just to blow it in the mall doesn't mean that we involved. But I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. How I got 250 from my neck up. How I made it from the hood to a big truck. The chicken went broke again.
So now it's time to pick out my outfit. I'm done with my hair. All I did was wet it, put some eco styling gel in it. You already know. If you haven't seen the review on this hair, I will leave the link up above or in the description box for you guys to click on and check it out. This hair is amazing. Shout out to the luxury hair dealer because this hair is bonked.com. Okay. Honestly, I really don't know what to wear today. It's going to be like 80 degrees. So this is the fit. I always wear this skirt like all the time, but I haven't worn it in a while, so I was gonna wear some flare pants, but I just didn't want too much of my stomach showing. I'm kind of bloated. I'm still on my period, you know, so I didn't want too much of my stomach showing. This is like an off-shoulder crop top that I got from Rainbow. As you can see, there's just buttons down the middle, and it's sewn on that way, so you can't unbutton it. So the back looks like. And this skirt, I keep forgetting, I think I really did get this skirt from Burlington 2 years ago, 2.5, 3 years ago, I don't even know. But I love this skirt. Like, it cinches, of course, so you can like tighten it as much as you want. But yeah, it just makes my body look so good and snatched. Because I feel so disgusting and bloated. I just wanted to wear something that was gonna make me feel cute, you know? I'm so freaking cute, yes. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video because I'm about to be late for class. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me slash I don't know how I lay my wig slash just me getting ready for the first day of the second semester of college. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Each and every one of you, I love you so much. Y'all, I still need a January shout out new YouTuber of the month. So please comment. Somebody send me a comment, something. I need a new YouTuber of the month. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.